If you know how to communicate well, then your life will most definitely be easier. If you're not so confident in your communication skills, then you can always improve them. It is good to be a master communicator because your life changes in an instant. Good communicators will have and maintain very good relationship with almost anyone: family, colleagues, friends, partners, clients, etc. Good communicators will be more efficient teachers, coaches, sellers, leaders, managers, and motivators. Good communicators have the skills of knowing exactly what kind of a person is facing them and use their language skills to match that person's character and gain agreement. There are many learnings and skills that you can learn if you want to become an effective communicator, and there is an in-depth course I created just for you where you're not only going to learn the key skills, but also master them by specific exercises. See for yourself, and I'd like to see you in our first lesson.